I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato ketchup. First, choose about 2 kilograms of very ripe red tomatoes for a rich flavor. You'll also need white vinegar, sugar, and a blend of spices like cloves and cinnamon. Begin by thoroughly washing your tomatoes, then chop them into manageable pieces, removing any stems or blemishes. This initial step is crucial for a delicious homemade ketchup. Next, combine your chopped tomatoes with your chosen spices in a large pot. Simmer this mixture over medium heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the tomatoes are very soft and easily mashed. Once cooked, carefully press the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or a food mill. This separates the smooth tomato pulp from the skins and seeds, giving you a refined base. Now pour the smooth tomato pulp back into your clean pot. Add about 1/2 cup of white vinegar and 1/4 cup of sugar, adjusting to your preference. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the ketchup reduces by about 1/3 and reaches your desired thickness. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed for perfect balance. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious homemade ketchup. Carefully pour the hot ketchup into sterilized bottles or jars, filling them almost to the top. Seal the containers tightly with lids and let them cool completely at room temperature. Once cooled, store your fresh ketchup in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 3 weeks, ready to enjoy with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.